The allegation was posed to the minister on Wednesday during the daily COVID-19 update, where he claimed ignorance of such allegations and further called on the parliamentary opposition to produce evidence of such claims so that an investigation could be carried out.
Well, I'm not aware of any such case, and if the parliamentary opposition, if they have specifics, then they can certainly pass that on to us here in the ministry so that we can do a proper investigation.
The minister further outlined that if an antigen test is done, the results are handed over to the person as soon as the result becomes available, usually within a 30-minute time frame. In the case of the PCR test, he outlined the protocol of the ministry.
The test, those results are then sent either to the HEOC and disseminated to the region from which the sample came. And the health people in those regions are the ones who would then follow up by calling the person and telling them the status, whether they're positive or negative. And if they're positive, would give them additional instructions as to what to do.
On Monday, during a virtual press conference, the leader of the opposition, Joseph Harmon, revealed that his office is in receipt of information that several ministries have had outbreaks of the virus and that some ministers are demanding that test results for staff members should not go to the staff directly but should be handed over to the respective ministry.
We call on all government offices where there is an outbreak of COVID-19 to implement the COVID-19 protocols, and that the premises be thoroughly sanitized so that the lives of our workers can be protected.
The opposition leader had also lambasted the government for what he deemed as a lax approach to combating the virus, even on the heels of new strains being identified. He spoke specifically to the country's borders remaining open in light of that revelation.
As borders, as you know, remain open, and there's a daily free flow of persons from several countries where this new strain of the virus is prevalent. The measures that have been instituted at the Chadijagan International Airport for incoming passengers are at best lax and casual and puts the entire Guyanese population at greater risk.
Harmon called on Guyanese to protect themselves by following the stipulated guidelines, which include washing and sanitizing their hands, wearing masks, as well as maintaining social distance, in light of what he deemed as government's lax approach in protecting the citizenry. Wendell Badrieexplains, HTP Nightly News.